Ethereum. The name alone sparks curiosity and excitement in the world of technology and finance. You've probably heard of it, whether from a friend, a news headline, or maybe even a late-night internet rabbit hole. It's the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, right after Bitcoin, and has become a household name for anyone interested in digital assets. But, it's much more than just digital money or a way to invest online. Ethereum is actually a groundbreaking platform for building decentralized applications, or dApps, that can run without any central authority. Think of it like a giant, open-source computer network that anyone, anywhere in the world, can use to create new digital tools and services. This network empowers developers to create all sorts of innovative applications, from games and social networks to financial services and beyond. From decentralized finance, or DeFi, which lets people borrow, lend, and trade without banks, to non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs, which are changing how we think about art, collectibles, and digital ownership, Ethereum is at the forefront of the blockchain revolution, driving innovation and inspiring a new generation of creators and entrepreneurs. And with all this potential, it's really no surprise that people are closely watching the price of its native cryptocurrency, Ether, or ETH, as it continues to shape the future of technology and finance. Ethereum has been on a wild ride. In November 2024, it reached an all-time high. But since then, the price has been, pretty volatile. We saw a significant drop in early 2025. As of today, May 1st, 2025, ETH is trading around $1,822. Despite the recent dip, ETH is still up significantly compared to last year. It's a roller coaster, but, hey, that's the crypto market for you. So, why are people still bullish on Ethereum, even after all the ups and downs in the crypto market? What keeps investors excited about its future, and why does it continue to attract attention from both individuals and institutions around the world? Well, there are several exciting developments happening right now that are fueling this optimism and driving renewed interest in Ethereum. First, Ethereum is undergoing some of the most significant upgrades in its history. These technical improvements are designed to address long-standing issues and make the network more robust and user-friendly. These upgrades aim to make the network faster, cheaper, and more scalable, which means more people can use Ethereum at the same time without slowdowns or high fees. This is a big deal for developers, businesses, and everyday users alike. Second, we've seen the launch of Ether ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. This is a major milestone for Ethereum, as it allows people to invest in Ether through traditional stock markets, making it much more accessible to a wider audience. These investment vehicles make it easier for institutional investors, like banks and hedge funds, to get in on the action. With more big players entering the space, Ethereum is gaining credibility and attracting even more attention. And when big money enters the market, prices tend to go up, creating a positive feedback loop that can drive further growth and innovation within the ecosystem. Finally, Layer 2 solutions are booming. These are new technologies built on top of Ethereum that help solve some of its biggest challenges, like slow transaction speeds and high costs. These platforms are built on top of Ethereum and offer even faster and cheaper transactions, making it easier for everyone to use crypto in their daily lives. With all these advancements, it's no wonder people are feeling optimistic about Ethereum's future. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, though. Ethereum faces challenges. Competition is heating up, and other blockchains are vying for Ethereum's crown. Security is another concern, Hacks and exploits are always a risk in the crypto world. And while Ethereum is making progress on scalability, it's still not as fast or cheap as some of its rivals. This could hinder its growth in the long run. So, will Ethereum hit $6,000 by the end of 2025? The experts are divided, and the debate is heating up as we move closer to that date. Ethereum has always been a lightning rod for speculation, and now, with so many factors at play, the predictions are more varied than ever. Some analysts are extremely bullish, predicting prices not just above $5,000, but even suggesting that Ethereum could break new all-time highs if market conditions align. The growth of Layer 2 solutions is another major factor. These technologies are designed to help Ethereum handle more transactions at lower costs, making it more appealing for both developers and everyday users. If these solutions gain traction, they could be a game changer for Ethereum's adoption and price. On the other hand, some experts are more cautious, forecasting prices in the $4,000 to $4,500 range. They argue that while Ethereum has strong fundamentals, there are still plenty of challenges ahead that could limit its upside. And then there are the bears, who believe Ethereum could fall further. They warn that if the broader crypto market turns bearish, or if a major security flaw is discovered, Ethereum's price could drop significantly. The truth is, no one knows for sure where the price of Ethereum will go. It's a volatile asset, subject to rapid swings in sentiment and market conditions. Even the most experienced analysts can only make educated guesses. In the world of crypto, anything can happen. Prices can soar on a wave of optimism, or crash just as quickly on unexpected news. That's part of what makes following Ethereum so exciting, and so risky. But one thing is certain, Ethereum is here to stay. Its community is strong, its technology is evolving, and its influence on the world of finance and technology is only growing. Whether Ethereum ends up at 4,000, 6,000, or somewhere in between, it remains a groundbreaking technology with the potential to revolutionize many industries. The journey ahead will be unpredictable, but it's sure to be fascinating.